Hey Tommy, it's Mary Elizabeth over at Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for your online inquiry to the Honda Odyssey EXL Nav Res. That's the one you inquired in on, and man, is it loaded. Not only do you get a built-in Garmin navigation system, but you also get the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now this year comes standard with a 10-speed transmission, which makes it so much easier for traveling. Uphill, downhill, doesn't matter. You have 60-40 split on the rear well, if you will. We'll show you how the seats fold down. Make it a little fun for the camping if you need to. Even magic seating on the inside. Touchscreen LCD, automatic high beam and low beam lighting, Honda sensing, driver assist suite, yes. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. The list goes on and on. Now we got a President's sale going on now through Tuesday. Get here. Give me a call. Schedule your time right now because my books are already filling up. We're expecting a major turnout. 205-519-1710. I'm Mary Elizabeth here at Tameron Honda of Hoover, waiting on you to come pick it out. And I promise you, when you get here, you're going to absolutely love the way you're treated. Bye.